this video, we are going to solve a problem based on series RL circuit. Problem states like this. Two practical coils A and B are connected in series and excited by a single phase AC supply of 240 volt 50 Hz. Input from the supply to the circuit is 3 kilowatt and 2 kVAR. If resistance of coil A is 5 ohms and inductance of coil B is 15 millihenry, then calculate inductance of coil A, resistance of coil B and voltages across both the coils. So let's solve. Practical coils A and B, that means series combination of resistance and inductor. So this is coil A. Having resistance Ra and inductance La. Similarly, another coil is coil B with resistance Rb and inductance Lb. This circuitry is connected by a single phase AC supply of 240 volt. So it is excited by this supply. And input from the supply to the circuit is 3 kilowatt. So understand this, kilowatt. So it's a power, real power. P equal to 3 kilowatt. And kVAR, 2 kVAR given. So it's a Q. What you have to find out? Inductance of coil A. So La. Resistance of coil B. Rb. And voltages across both the coils. So it's Va and Vb. If resistance of coil A is 5 ohm and inductance of coil B is 15 millihenry. So let's solve. Now what they have given is P and Q and it's an inductive circuit. So let's draw power triangle first, because once we draw power triangle, rest of the parameters we will obtain very easily. So power triangle for inductive circuit. Will be like this. So from this I can say S equal to root of P square plus Q square. So it's equal to root of 3 kilowatt square plus 2 kVAR square. So that will be 3.6056 kVA. Once kVA is known, I know the voltage, I can get a current. So S is kVA given by V into I, or you should say Vs into I equal to S, which is equal to 3605.6. So I will be 3605.6 divided by Vs, which is 240. So after solving this, you will get current as 15.0231 ampere. Once we know current, voltage is already given as 240 volt, I can obtain total impedance of the circuit. It is Vs divided by I. So this is equal to 240 divided by 15.0231 equal to 15.9754 ohm. This is ZT. Now I am going to use a impedance triangle, but for that I should know what is the value of phi. So from the power triangle, I can say cos phi equal to P upon S, which is 3 kilowatt divided by 3.6056 kVA. So I am getting cos phi as 0.832. So I am getting cos phi as 0.832. From this, let's calculate phi. So phi equal to 33.67 degree. From phi, let's calculate sin phi also. So sin phi is sin 33.67, which is equal to 0.5547. Now how we are going to use this phi, sin phi and cos phi? We know cos phi is nothing but RT upon ZT for this circuit. It's a power factor. So RT is nothing but RA plus RB. Cos phi we calculated as 0.832. RA is given 5, RB is the unknown, and ZT we calculated as 15.9754. So after solving this, what I will get RB as 8.2915 ohm. Similarly, I am going to consider sin phi as xt upon zt, where xt is xla plus xlb upon zt. LB is given, so from LB I can get XLB. LB is given as 15 millihenry, which is equal to 15 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 Henry. So XLB is 2 pi FLB. So if you solve, you will get XLB as 4.7124 ohm. Now sin phi equal to XLA plus XLB divided by ZT. Sin phi we calculated as 0.5547. XLA is the unknown. XLB is 4.7124 and ZT is 15.9754. So in this, only unknown is XLA, which is obtained as 4.1492 ohm. We know 2 pi FLA equal to XLA. So LA equal to XLA upon 2 pi F, which is equal to 4.1492 divided by 2 pi, frequency is 50 Hertz, hence LA equal to 0.0132 Henry. So now we obtained the value of RB and LA which were asked. Let's find out voltages of both the coils. So for that I should know impedance ZA, which is RA plus JXLA. So RA is 5, JXLA is 4.1492 ohm, and ZB is RB plus JXLB, which is equal to 8.2915 plus J 4.7124 ohm. Once we know ZA and ZB, we can get VA, which is equal to I into ZA. I value is 15.0231 multiplied by ZA, 5 plus J 4.1492 ohm. So if you solve, you will get VA as 97.6111 at an angle 39.69 degree volt. Similarly, I can get VB. It is I into ZB. I is 15.0231 and ZB is 8.2915 plus J 4.7124. So if you solve, you will get VB as 143.2763 at an angle 29.61 degree volt. This is the required answer. Thank you.